How to buy Minecraft on Instant Gaming. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Minecraft on Instant Gaming. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to open up a web browser, or you can simply choose Instant Gaming if you have the app. After you open that up, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now what you'll need to do is simply search for Minecraft. So let me just search for it and tap on enter. You can choose the platforms, the systems as well, but I'll just head over to Minecraft right here. As you can see, there are different editions of Minecraft. So if you want a different edition, such as the Java and Bedrock edition, you can choose that as well. So just select a Minecraft that you want to download. And after you're here, you'll see an option to just choose different versions or different platforms where you can play it. I'll just choose the PC one. And as you can see, it is in stock and the Java and Bedrock edition. So just after that, tap on add to cart. After you've tapped on add to cart, just select the number here. Now what you'll need to do is tap on pay. After you do that, you'll need to log in into your account and just use your payment method. Just add in your payment method and you should be good to go. And that's basically how you buy Minecraft on Instant Gaming. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.